What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel, and today we are going to go over an email. We're going to go over an email. We got an email from DeWalt Corporation, the DeWalt Tool Company. You know, DeWalt, yellow and black. We got an email from them. It says they're finally here. They have 3 new offerings. They said we're supposed to be super excited about them. The reason we're doing the video is because we want to see if you're super excited about them. If you are, we'll get them in for some testing. But we're going to gauge your excitement after this message from our sponsors. Get it? From our sponsors. It's a video of my construction company. Because DeWalt sure ain't sponsoring this video. But we're excited about their tools anyway. So this is the email that came over. It says DeWalt. It says they're finally here. They got their new 20V max sander. They got their new, look at it, cordless router. And their cordless jigsaw. The one I'm most excited about right here, cordless router. Hashtag just saying. So let's take a look at those offerings one by one and see why we should be excited, why you should be excited, and maybe why I should consider bringing these things in here. You know what I mean? It says our 20V Max XR brushless 5-inch cordless random orbital sander provides you with the power and runtime needed to get the job done. A variable speed dial provides ultimate speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPMs. It's orbits per minute. Orbital action on. One-handed locking dust bag attaches securely to the sander to aid in dust collection, or the user can attach the sander directly to the DWV010 or the DW012 dust collectors. Rubber overmold grip provides comfortable sanding replacement 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for quick, easy paper changing. You know the reason why I am excited about this random orbital sander, it's 20V max, is because I've had a lot of good luck with the DeWalt random orbital corded units. I really like them. I think it's a really good sander. I like how it orbits. I really do. You don't have to worry about getting those burn-in marks from a rotary sander. Features and specs: variable speed to match the speed to the application. Low height gets you closer to the work surface for more control when sanding. Replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for quick, easy paper changing. We went over a lot of this stuff. Texture rubber overmold. I will say this does have a lot more rubber overmolding on it compared to my corded unit. This is a brushless motor, long run time. Specifications: sander type, of course, is a random orbit. Tool heights 5.1 inches. Tool weights 1.9 inches. I gotta tell you, I'll assume that's tool only. System's 20V max, which means you could use your 20V max batteries or you could use your flex volt batteries, depending on what you need to do. It includes the random orbital sander and a dust bag. The warranty information is 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, 90-day money-back guarantee. Number 2 on the list is the DCS 33-4B. It's the 20V Max XR cordless jigsaw, tool only. And it says, our 20V Max cordless jigsaw features an efficient motor, powerful performance, and extreme runtime. Precisely controlled blade speed up to 3,200 strokes per minute with the variable speed trigger and dial for professional results no matter what you're cutting. 4-position orbital action lets you adjust for optimal cutting and variety of materials. Bright light LED illuminates dim work surfaces and makes it easy to follow cut lines. The updated all-metal lever action keyless blade clamp is designed for quick and easy blade changes of T-shank jigsaw blades. It's also keyless. The shoe bevel is easy to adjust with detents at 0, 15, 30, and a positive stop at 45 degrees. A removable shoe cover helps protect materials from scratches, and integrated dust blower helps remove dust and debris from your line of sight as you cut. Now, you know, I want you all to leave it down in the comments section below. You know, are you interested in all 3 of these coming into VCG construction? Or is there one that you're most interested in? And what we can do is we'll run a little survey as well. But I got to tell you, This is a nice jigsaw. It's just not necessarily my flavor because I'm not big on the D handle or the top handle jigsaws. I like a barrel grip. I just do. That's my flavor. That's what I like. But make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. Is this your thing? Do you want us to review it? Or do you think you want us to review the Orbital sander? Or do you want us to review both of these things? Of course, there's 3 things. We have to go over one more, and then you'll let us know down in the comment section below. This is the one that's got me most excited, even though they don't have like a very good picture here on the website. But it's the DCW 600B. It's the 20V Max XR cordless compact router. And I gotta tell you, if I was gonna jump on a cordless router right now, I did like a different brand. The funny part is I'm in that platform as well. I'm in a lot of battery platforms. But I'd like to maybe give this DeWalt a shot. It's the 20V Max XR cordless compact router. Provides power like a corded compact router while providing the convenience of a cordless tool. The plastic fixed base and dual LED lights help illuminate the work surface and provide superior bit visibility. This cordless router is equipped with variable speed control for optimal bit speed in each application. The release clamp allows for quick and easy bit and base changes. Awesome! I gotta tell you, it features dual LED lights. Depth adjustment ring allows for fast and easy height adjustments, and I really like to test that. Your rough adjustments and then your fine adjustments. I'd like to test that on this tool. Electronic brake slows down the motor down faster after the unit is shut off. Variable speed dial allows the user to match speed of the router to the application. And soft start motor with full-time electronic feedback allows the motor to maintain speed during cuts. Includes the router motor, fixed base, instruction manual, and wrench. The warranty still applies here. It's the same as the other 2 tools. But my question is, of these 3 offerings, which one do you want us to get in-house? Or do you want us to get all 3? Or can you want to pick 2 favorites? Let us know down in the comments section below. Also, if you like YouTube creators that ask you what you want to see videos about before they make the videos, and smash the like button. I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. You are the coolest community on all of YouTube, and that's the reason why I asked the questions. We put some links down below so you can place some orders, pre-orders, quick and easy. If you like, go there and use them. Everybody, we'll see you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.